Hello everyone, and welcome to Drama Explorers Academy, where we learn what makes drama, drama. Drama is all about pretending, playing, and telling stories. It's when we use our imagination to act things out. Imagine you're a pirate looking for a treasure, or a teacher in a classroom, or even a superhero saving the day. When you're pretending like that, you're doing drama. How do we do drama? We use 3 very important things. Can you guess what they are? First, we use our bodies. That means moving around and showing actions. If I'm pretending to climb a big mountain, I can use my body to show that I'm climbing. Or if I'm pretending to be a tree, I can stand tall and stretch my arms out like branches. Drama is like playing a big game where our bodies help tell the story. Next, we use our voices. This means we can use our voices to speak or make sounds. If I'm pretending to be a lion, I can roar. If I'm pretending to be a bird, I can chirp. Or if I'm pretending to be a wizard, I can say abracadabra. Our voices can help us sound like the characters we're pretending to be. And finally, we use our imaginations. This is the most important part of drama. Your imagination is like a magic tool that lets you create anything you want. If you close your eyes and imagine a jungle, suddenly you're in the jungle. If you imagine a castle, you're standing in front of a huge castle. Drama lets us use our imagination to go anywhere, do anything, and be anyone. So drama is about using our bodies, our voices, and our imaginations to tell stories and pretend. But there's something else that's really important in drama too: working together. In drama, we often work with other people. That means we have to listen to each other and share ideas. If one person is pretending to be a dragon and another person is a knight, they have to work together to tell the story. Drama isn't just about pretending on your own, it's also about being part of a team. Drama is also about trying new things. Sometimes you might feel a little bit shy or worried about trying something different, but that's okay. Drama gives us a safe place to play, explore, and try our best. There's no right or wrong in drama. It's all about having fun and using your imagination. Drama is also about being respectful. We must show respect to our drama teachers, directors, stagehands, and our fellow actors. So let's remember, drama is pretending, playing, and telling stories. It's about using our bodies, our voices, and our imaginations. It's about working together and having fun. And most of all, it's about trying new things and exploring new ideas. Now that you know what drama is, I hope you're excited to give it a try. Keep imagining, keep exploring. See you next time.